Inside, it's just as magnificent. The design is similar to the F12 Berlinetta that this car replaces, but the quality is second to none. Carbon fiber covers a lot of the cabin, including the steering wheel, the paddle shifters, the center console, and the cargo shelf, while everything else is covered in soft leather. What's truly remarkable, however, is the amount of space that the 812 has to offer. Unlike most supercars and grand tourers, it doesn't require you to be a yogi or a contortionist to get inside, and the amount of space for occupants and cargo is truly exceptional. Boot space measures in at 320 liters, which is enough to fit around 3 cabin-size bags, and then there's more storage on the cargo shelf behind the seats too. Speaking of the seats, we have Daytona leather seats that are power adjustable fitted to this test car, and they are a little stiff to stop you from being flung around on the bends. But Ferrari being Ferrari, there are 7 other seat options that you can have, ranging from standard seats all the way to carbon fiber monocoque racing seats for the ultimate F1 experience. In terms of entertainment and convenience features, the 812 offers a JBL audio system, cruise control, a multi-information passenger display, and cameras in the front and back. The camera in the front stops you from scraping the bumper on a speed breaker or pavement, and the one in the back makes parking much easier. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's start driving.